If your toilet is rocking or feels unstable, it is super important to fix it quickly to avoid leaks and damage to your bathroom floor. So, here's the deal. First, check the bolts at the base of the toilet where it meets the floor. Sometimes they just need a good tightening. If those bolts are already tight but the toilet still rocks, you might need to use some plastic shims to level it out. Just slide these shims under the toilet base until it stops moving, then trim off any excess so it looks clean. After that, make sure to caulk around the base to keep water from sneaking underneath and causing rot. Also, be gentle when tightening bolts because over-tightening can crack the porcelain, which nobody wants. If you notice any water seeping or a weird smell, that could mean the wax ring seal underneath is damaged and needs replacing. Don't stress if you're not sure how to do this yourself. It's pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. Just remember that keeping your toilet stable not only saves you from annoying noises, but also prevents expensive repairs down the line. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a rocking toilet is ignoring it and hoping it will fix itself, but that can lead to water damage and mold growth. Another common issue is over-tightening the floor bolts, which can crack the toilet base. The fix here is to tighten just enough to stop rocking without forcing it too much. The third problem is not replacing a worn-out wax ring seal when fixing instability, which causes leaks. Make sure to swap out the old ring with a new one for a proper seal and peace of mind. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want an easy way to find trusted local contractors for repairs like this. Contractors also love it because it connects them with real clients looking for their specific skills, helping them grow their business without all the hassle.